I call it paint plat. So I am getting the paint plat board today on Subway Surfers. So 3, 2, 1, let's get it! Woo! I unlocked the paint plat board! Let's go, baby. I'm super excited. Let's go, baby. Paint plat. Okay, now let's play around. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's wait till my head starts to get done. Let's go, baby. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, I really like that board. It's like a plate of like paint that you're gonna use to paint something. I think that's really a good board. Yeah, I like that. I like that. I like that board. I'm writing on a plate as paints. Let's go, baby. Oh man, I died. So yeah, now I unlocked paint plat that is added to my board collection. So yeah, now I just need carp dime. Yeah, carp diem, but I call it carp dime. So yeah. Bye guys.